What's up, folks? Today we are going to unbox this just arrived by post. This package is a little bit broken, so I peeked and I saw the right brand. There should be a new clutch, a new pressure plate and new pressure bearing. Next we have to do some preparing, use the press to put the pressure plate on right position, but soon you will see. Let's unbox this one. Yeah, let's have a peek. Yes, as you can see, I hope that one is the pressure plate, but we will see soon. To unbox, I use this my traditional opening knife. This is actually this knife. I bought this from mail about I don't actually even know how many years, but it was I think 80s, at the 80s when the Sylvester Stallone and Rambo was #1. I think I was something like 10 years old when I ordered this one. It used to have a survival kit inside. I remember fishing line and fishing hook and some matches or something else, and there was this cork that included a compass, but it has disappeared. So that's the short story of this knife. This is not very practical to open the package, but this is official opening knife. Oh yes, this looks nice. First, here is the pressure bearing. I think it looks just right, I hope. And there's the pressure plate, also good looking. And if you can see, oh yes, oh, looks so nice. I like new parts. Yes, this is perfect. And then there's the clutch. Oh yes, this looks also very nice. So this clutch is totally original, and we decided with Heka to buy this original clutch because we have only about 140 horsepower. So the original clutch is enough for us, and it's much easier us to drive also, because we are not the professionals. And as you can see, our old clutch is a little bit different than the new one. This is racing type clutch. We used to have, but this is quite hard to use. It's like on and off. There's nothing between them. So and we have a very long first gear, so that's why it's hard to use. That's why we decided with Heka that we should use this original clutch, which is much easier us to use. And then I changed this pressure bearing from the slave cylinder. I have the new one here, and then there is this pressure plate. As you can see, the difference, it's huge. And now first I have to use the press to get this spacer away from this pressure plate, and then I have to press it to this plate so I can get it in right position, and then just install the new clutch. Oh yes, now the clutch is okay, the pressure plate is tightened, and the slave cylinder it's on its place. And as you can see, I'm bleeding the clutch at the moment. I try to get all the air bubbles out of the clutch. I have this pipe going up there, and the fluid is there, so the hose is upper than the fluid, so all the air should come out now. As you can see, there's already some brake fluid, so it will do the bleeding by itself. So I just have to wait like 15-20 minutes, it should be okay. I had a minor setback here. As you can see, I have taken off all the clutch. I take the clutch and the pressure plate and the cylinder here. They are over here, and I explain actually what happened. The cylinder is there. There's this piston which is moving. This one, it's stuck actually at the moment. I just pushed the pedal too far. I can show with this. This is our spare cylinder, and I pushed the clutch pedal too far, so this came too out from the cylinder like this, so it popped out, and now I couldn't get it back so that it would hold the pressure. As you can see, there's a brake fluid on this piston, so now I just have to fix this clutch cylinder. I hope I can fix it with these gaskets, but you never okay, I can't actually just notice that this gasket is broken, so this was the reason why it didn't hold the pressure. Okay. Now I know I can't fix this today. Oh yeah. This didn't went as I planned, but now we need three this kind of rubber gaskets. It shouldn't be a big problem, I hope. But after we got those, then we can fix the clutch. I think Heka is coming tomorrow. Today is Sunday, so tomorrow is Monday. So probably tomorrow we will put gearbox gasket on. But unfortunately now we can't do the test drive because I broke the clutch cylinder. But this is motorsport, nothing new. So we just have to find new gaskets, and I think that's all for the day. I have to recover mentally. But please give me thumbs up, thumbs down, and comments, and see you soon. Bye.